What have you found?
A frog.
Let's have a look.
I'm trying to catch him in this.
You got him?
There.
Let's have a look.
There.
Oh wow. What are you going to do with him?
Don't know. He's just going to jump into the cold water. Just going to put him into the cold water. Just did that. Put the water. Dad. His underwear. Look. Look, Dad. He was swimming. Dad, you know how they swim? He just did that. Try and catch it.
Have you caught him again?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mum!
Oh.
He can't jump out of that. No. Can you get him to stay in there?
Do you want him to stay now or should we put him back?
Put him back.
Alright, put him in the water then like that and he'll swim away. There he goes. Get out. Oh.
Should we not do that? Shall we take everything out of there? Dad! We need to take everything out.
Why are you taking things out?
Because so he has some room.
So he has some room?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's quite a big pool, isn't it?
Look what he's doing. He's swimming. I won't go in that pool. There's a frog in it. Dad, we went to Princess Park, yeah? And Bonnie filled off this massive pirate thing and Dad,
Yeah.
can I show you some?
What you got in there?
A froggy.
Oh.